हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए हम लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं फिजियो का फर्स्ट चैप्टर, दैट इज़ ब्लड। हमारे वीडियो पे फर्स्ट चैप्टर, ओके। ब्लड। सो blood, that is red color fluid that circulates throughout our body and which provides nutrition and oxygen to the waste of the carbon dioxide of the all parts of the body, and which transports metabolic waste to from those cells. Okay. Synonyms, there are four synonyms: fluid of connective tissue, fluid of life, fluid of growth, and fluid of health. Fluid of connective tissue, that is mesodermal in origin. Various parts of the body connects, वो बहुत बॉडी के बहुत सारे पार्ट्स को वो कनेक्ट करता है, एंड दैट इज थ्रू components of the connective tissue. Second, fluid of life, that is transport oxygen from lungs to all parts and from all parts to the lungs. Simply ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का करता है. फ्लूइड ऑफ ग्रोथ मीन्स टू न्यूट्रिटिव सब्सटेंस, वो बॉडी के ग्रोथ में हेल्प करता है. एंड लास्टली फ्लूइड ऑफ हेल्थ, दैट इज प्रोटेक्ट्स द बॉडी अगेंस्ट द डिजीजेस. व्हेन देयर इज अ डिजीज इन आवर बॉडी, it works, that is a fluid of health. Now, properties of blood. Number one property, color. So in arteries there is a scarlet red color, and in veins that is purple red. In arteries it is scarlet red because of more O2 content, and in venous it is purple red because of more CO2 content. Okay. Now volume, average volume is of 5 liters. In male it is 5 liters, and in female it is of 4.5 liters. In female it is quite less due to menstruation. Okay. 70 kg man has 8 liters of blood. pH and the reaction. Blood is quite alkaline, slightly alkaline, and the pH is of 7.4. Specific gravity. Total blood of the specific gravity is 1.052 to 1.061, and for of blood cells it is 1.092 to 1.101, and plasma of 1.02 to 1.026. Viscosity. Blood is quite viscous than water. Quite means 5 times or more. It is that blood is 5 times more viscous than water. Okay. Now composition. Blood contains blood cells that are formed elements and of fluid matrix, which is known as plasma. सो प्लाज्मा, दैट इज स्ट्रॉ कलर्ड क्लियर फ्लूइड, वो बहुत ही क्लियर होता है फ्लूइड, एंड इट इज़ डिवाइडेड इंटू 3 कंपोनेंट्स. वाटर, द मोर is water, that is of 92 to 93%, then solid is 7 to 8%, and gas so less in trace amount we can say. Then blood cells, its types, there are 3 types of blood cells, that is RBCs, WBCs, and platelets. RBCs, that is RBCs, other name is erythrocytes. WBCs, that is leukocytes, and platelets, that is thrombocytes. Hematocrit value, that is the blood which is in percentage form. See, there I had written 45%, 55%. It is called as hematocrit value, and it is also called as PCV, that is packed cell volume. Its normal range is 45%. Okay. So, and it is collected in a hematocrit tube. It is quite different tube, and suitable for anticoagulant, and centrifuge for 30 minutes, and its speed is of about 3000 rpm, that is revolution per minute. Plasma forms 55% and RBCs form 45%. Now, in between plasma and RBCs, there is a white buffy coat. Suppose this is a plasma and this is a RBCs. Here in between it is there a white buffy coat. This white buffy coat aggregates white blood cells and platelets. Okay. Now plasma we had earlier seen, that is of clear straw color clear fluid and divided into three parts. Here it's we had seen. Now serum it is also a clear straw fluid, and whenever in our body when there is a blood clot in any part of the body, it oozes there, means it's there when there is a blood clotting in our body. When fibrinogen is removed from the plasma, that is called as serum. Simply, when fibrinogen is removed from the plasma, it is called as serum. Here it's now its function. Firstly, nutritive function means nutritive functions, glucose, nutrients like glucose, amino acids, lipids. From this we can get nutritive function from digestion, and the food from which the food we take from which it will get. Respiratory functions like from lungs to tissue, that is O2, and from tissue to lung, that is CO2. Here it is. And the next function is excretive functions. It produces in the tissue during various metabolic activities, produces when metabolic activities, and excretory organs like kidney, skin, liver, etc. Then transport of the hormones. Hormones are secreted by ductless endocrine gland. It is here it's talk about the secretion of the hormones. Then the regulation of water balance. The content of the water in our body is balance is known as water balance. The regulation of acid base balance, that is buffer reaction. Buffer reaction means maintain balance the acid base balance. Regulation of body temperature means heat loss and heat gain balance, that is known as regulation of body temperature. Storage functions. Water and some important substance like protein, glucose, sodium and potassium are stored, that is known as stored function. And lastly, defensive function. In defensive function, there are neutrophils and monocytes that engulf through phagocytosis. It engulfs the whole bacteria or the virus, then through phagocytosis. That is then lymphocytes, that is it provides immunity to the body. Eosinophils, that is detoxification, disintegration and the removal of foreign proteins. Okay guys, so thank you, and please don't forget to hit the like button, and please share subscribe to my channel. Okay, take care, thank you, bye bye.